Good morning. Hello. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Yeah, as you are seeing this video, it might be our first contact. Yeah, and so I'm teacher Gil, and today I'm supposed to teach you how to get into the Oxford area. Yeah, whoa, this is something great. I promise you it's gonna be worth for your development, all right? So, as you can see, I'm very informal, dressed. Yeah, we are now passing through the quarantine. Let's stay at home, all right? Don't get out of your house. Yeah, and as we are passing through this quarantine, it's super important to make our students' life amazing. Yeah, and as we in your choice language, we work with a great material. Yeah, a material that came straight from England, UK, material from Oxford. You have in your hands the possibility of surfing not only on your book but also on the Oxford area. That is a place where you can see part of the material you find in your book in a digital version that is really user friendly content. Yeah, super easy to access. You can have many great insights. Yeah, you can learn in an easy way. If your teacher is here with you studying, you can stop for a while and you can do the exercise together. You can share this beautiful screen with your teacher, and your teacher will also be able to track your development. You know what I mean? Don't you know? So keep following me. Come on. I will now share my screen and we will do a demo together. Okay? So, 1 second. Yeah, probably you are seeing my screen now. So let's go to the Oxford area. Whoa, I'm here one step in advance. So I will return to make more crystal clear the full process. Okay, so let's go to oxfordlearn.com. As it's loading, I'll tell you. Today I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. What? Just joking. Yeah, just enjoying the time, enjoying the bath. Yeah, because my machine is pretty slow, pretty slow. All right, as you can see here, I already have a login, but I will do with you guys another one as I have two emails. So let's imagine my name is uh, Handsome Gil because I have uh, a lot of self-esteem, self-love. Okay, my username should be an email. Yeah? So I I will use very old email. Yeah, please don't make fun of me because I used to take this email to the clubs when I was a kid. All right. So the password, I will choose a simple password. I will try. Uh, uh, I will try my name in capital letters. I wrote. I I I am typing G, and now I will use one symbol. Yeah, I'll use the symbol at, and then I'll type the numbers. Maybe a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, as you can see, the system is considering. Oops, I'm sorry. I had just eaten my breakfast. All right. So the system is considering my password as a very strong one. So I will do it again. Key at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope it's all right. My country is Brazil. Yeah, I guess everybody's going to be Brazil here. And oh, the security question. What color is your car? Guys, remember, this is a security question. So it must be security. It must be secure. Safe. Stay safe. Stay at home. Joking. So, as it must be safe, first thing I'll do is I will choose a question that doesn't make sense because I'm cautious person. I don't even have a car. So, what color is your car? I will choose black. I accept the terms. I am 16 years older. No, I'm not 16 years old or under. I'm only. Uh, I'm in fact I am 27. So I don't need to click in this button. Let's go and see if it works. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, you see, this is the first problem that might happen to you. What happened here? I, in fact, I, I was typing "gi" like that, and they are saying we must have at least uppercase in lowercase letters. So what I'm gonna do is I will change this begin from gi to gi. Okay, I remember it was the first three letters, so G U I. Now again, G U I. So I think now it's working. It's gonna work. Let's see. Mm, it seems all right. Thank you. You can now sign in with the following username and passwords. No, don't do it. I'm recording. Okay, so your password is a secret and known only by you. Okay, don't tell your password to your friends because they can hack you. Yeah, I have very mean friends who were unable to do it. So I keep my password safe. Okay, it seems it's working. Let's see. Oh, it's working. Now it's time to go to one of our last steps. Yeah. So right now, I will not choose the first option, neither The third option, I will join a class or organization. Mm, very good. So in this step, guys, you will type the password that your teacher sent to you on the WhatsApp group, okay? Later on, you will try to continue. Yeah, I cannot continue from now because I don't have the password. But in fact, the next step, the next step will be, will be, will be, uh, will be. You type the password your teacher sent to you. You press enter, and then you will type the password that you have in the cover, in the back cover of your book. Yeah, so you open your book, and as soon as you open that, it's going to be in the back of the cover. You type the number here. Yeah, it's going to be quite simple, and after doing it, you will have access to an incredible content that I will show you now. Okay, I will share my screen one more time, just one more time, and then you will see what is going to be waiting for you. So, Oxford, learn again. Now I will sign in with my login and password, and you will see a first page that is pretty much like this one, okay? As I am a teacher and I have many different groups and levels, I can see here all my students' books. So let's start here with Business Results, second edition, online practice, upper intermediate level. Okay, you click always, you have to focus in the online practice. Yeah, you don't have to worry about this second link. The online practice is here. Yeah, as you click, you will see the cover of your book, and uh, I am pretty much into the design worlds, so I consider this button horrible. Anyways, you click on this button. As you click here, you see, dun, 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 you will see a, a demo of the paradise. Look at that. The book is split in units. In every unit will have different topics. Working with words, one and two, business communication, language at work, emails, and the big test with all the content you are supposed to see in that unit. All right. So every link will bring you a lot of information and exercise. Okay. You can click on these links and you will have access to these beautiful contents, beautiful and great contents. Yeah, it's not only beautiful, but it also has Content. Oh, I hope you got this joke. It was terrible. I'm sorry. All right. Oh, the contents here. You type here what you think. It's nice. Yeah. As you finish all these options, there will be an option to submit. As you submit, the system will show if you get correct answers or wrong answers. And you'll be able to try as much as you can. Okay? So that's a thing. I hope you guys understood how easy is to access this area and how important it's going to be for your development. Yeah. So teacher Gil from the quarantine time is now saying bye bye. See you in the next time. Okay. Don't forget to have fun.